Hello, 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 hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? It is audible? Yes. All are attending. Now, actually, one PLSQL batch is going on in a way in a 10 o'clock only. Up to some fundamentals, I'm telling only now here. That's why Monday onwards, you have to attend a what? Two things. In a 9 to 10 only, you are attending a what? SPL remaining concepts only. Again, 10 o'clock onwards, you have to attend a what? PLSPL. Monday onwards, you have to attend 9 to 10 remaining SQL part is there. No, here TCL commands we are starting those things only. Okay, na? Yes, create session something we are starting or not. Yes, here. I will tell you which link and all this. Oracle on now here. Oracle means two parts, no SQL, PLSQL. But unfortunately, in a 10 o'clock batch, those students are already completed some portion in a PLSQL only. Some portion they are completing only up to this one. Up to this one, we are completing in our classes today, tomorrow, or anything. Then we have to, so now if you attend that one onwards in a PLSQL, because jobs we are applying in a way PLSQL developer in so many pillows are SQL little bit of knowledge is enough, but PLSQL you are learning a what. So now then only we are applying a what jobs. And now here today and now back side onwards another if you are in your books only in a reverse side onwards or anywhere, just you have to start a what PLSQL. Okay na? Yes, here up to some portion I'm completing in that one on Monday 10 o'clock by students. Okay, that one both the things are same miss. Then you have to attend daily. Okay. Yes, daily you have to attend SQL and SQL remaining part and also PLSQL links and all these things I will tell you. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. From 10 onwards, maybe 11:30 or anything. Okay, maybe up to some stage 11 or later 11:30 or 12 or anything. Okay. Then better to so now here spend more time why because subject is important. No? Yeah. Now SPL next observe it here. Some fellows are confusing only SPL next 9 o'clock. No, your batch is 9 o'clock. Here SQL this part is there. No, this one tomorrow. Sorry, okay. Monday I will tell you here. This onwards. Don't worry. Okay, this is not completed system privileges on Monday 9 o'clock onwards. Okay, na? Yes, yeah. That portion we are continuing better. Okay, so now here. Okay, up to 11 we are taking, not a problem. Why? Because 11 o'clock some fellows are attending some other classes, no? Okay, at 10 o'clock means PLSQL is there. Okay, you don't worry. But anybody 10 o'clock, NPL, okay, anybody, some fellows are going to office, they are telling only. Then evening some other batches are there. Whenever it will be starting a PLSQL, you have to attend it, not a problem. Okay, online, no? So now you have to shift your timings and all these things like. Okay, na? SQL remaining parts also very important. Okay, that's now here. Yes. Notes means I will tell you all the things. Don't worry. Okay. Na? Yes. Today we are starting a what PLSQL. SQL is Monday 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock already there. Okay. Don't worry. That is middle stopping only. Okay. Na? That is also continuing. This is also continuing. Now here. PLSQL. Right. In your notes, you have to start in a backside onwards or in a other notes or anything better. Because PLSQL very, very important. Most powerful concept. Okay, same notebook in a way, how you are differentiate your own wish. You are not a child. Why so many times I'm repeating means my favorite subject this one, and also I'm I'm a basically PLSQL developer. So many years I'm working only. That's why so more depth knowledge I'm giving only. And also through this knowledge only in our notes knowledge base only, so many fellows are well settled based designation based on a designation PLSQL developer. You have to apply. You are also not a problem. But some 3 years, 4 years or anything we are putting only on now. PLSQL. What is PLSQL means? Procedural language extension for SQL. Okay, na? So now actually SQL means non-procedural language. Don't worry. Now here SQL is a non-procedural language. Don't write it. Very carefully observe it here. This is a non-procedural language. What is non-procedural language? In this non-procedural language, yes, here loops are not there, variables are not there, if conditions are not there, case statement, case statements are available. These type of procedural language concepts are not available. And also we cannot control a server. Suppose 10,000 records are there in a table. In that one, suppose here 500th record I want to modify. How can I? Individual records we are controlling. We are controlling means just we are putting a whatever records we are controlling is those records in a separate memory area. So now here in that case, PLSQL very helpful. And also according to so now here yes that okay front-end languages C, C++, Java like that only in those type of languages side according to client requirement we are generating a reports display outputs according to client requirement. That is also we are achieving through the where PLSQL only. Not only that one, exception handling mechanism is there in a Java, .NET, these type of languages, try, catch, throw, finally is there. No, here also we are handling a runtime errors. And also, yes, automatically some task we are performing by using a triggers. And also, whenever we are communicate with the Java, .NET, these type of application means improve the performance of the application is required. In that case, stored procedure, functions, some concepts are there. Through that, we are communicate with the front end by using input parameter, output parameter. So many concepts are there. Those all the things practically we are learning. That's why uses you are understandable in a way. Practically, once you are good means then easy. But first time I'm not explaining what those all the things because a very huge concept this one. Okay, now here observe here. PLSQL means procedural language extension for SQL. Okay, yes, here write it some theory. PLSQL is an procedural language. Very interesting this one. Procedural language extension for SQL. The combination of SQL and DML statement. Okay, now check it out. Actually, Oracle, so many versions are there. Don't write it. Observe here. Oracle 1.0 is there in a 1978. Don't write it. Oracle 2.0 is there in a 1979. Like this, so many versions are there. Already Honeyed in a version concept. But Oracle, one of the version is there. 6.0 is there. In this 6.0 onwards, this PLSQL they are introducing. Why they are introducing? What is that one? Later you are familiar. That's why Oracle 6.0 version onwards, PLSQL they are introducing. In a before 6.0 PLSQL is not available. That's why nowadays jobs PLSQL developer jobs also so many jobs are available. Right? It. Oracle 6.0. Oracle 6.0 introduced PLSQL. Oracle 6.0 introduced PLSQL. And now slowly observe here, concentrate here. Actually, I am also, you are also, so many fellows are telling you what PLSQL is about. Procedure language also, but procedure language concepts are there. Okay, variables are there. What is the purpose and okay, what is these things? Only I will tell you. But basically, this is a very, very important. This is a block structured programming language. What is block structure means? I will tell you. This is a block structured programming language. Suppose anybody having idea in academic career side, olden days, one powerful block structured programming language is there. Still in IBM mainframes only, that language they are using in a company side. What is the language means? Maybe anybody having idea? Olden days block structured language. COBOL is a language is there. In a olden days, now here, yes, nowadays some companies only IBM mainframe side, they are using only COBOL is a language is there. This language is a what? A block structured programming language. What is the meaning of that block structured? Some separate sections are there. In those sections, separate concepts we are using on identification division, data division, working storage section, environment section. So many sections are there. In this particular section, particular concepts we are using. Same like here also, this is a nowadays a block structured programming language in a PLSQL. Here also some sections are there. Within that particular section, we are writing a what particular concepts only. Very, very important. Otherwise, it won't work. That's why PLSQL, basically PLSQL is a block structured programming language. What is block structure means? I will tell you. Write it. Basically, PLSQL is a block structured block structured programming language. Block structured programming language. Block structured programming language. Okay, another side onwards you have to write it in a SQL side. Okay, because SQL not completed. No, yes or not. Okay, this is a block structured programming language. All are attending. Now I am starting only. Slowly observe here. What is block structure means? Concentrate. 5 minutes concentrate. Very, very important. Why? Because daily we are using a what this one. What is block structure means? Two types of blocks are there. Anonymous blocks, named blocks. There is a letter. What is block structure means? Don't write it. Don't write it. 1 minute only. So now here block structure means daily we are writing a what program in this block structure. Today also we are writing. And now here, what is this block structure? Now concentrate here. Slowly observe it here. Here we are writing about coding variables and retrieve the data from the table. So many things are there. Okay, fine. What is that one? What is the purpose? I will tell you. Don't worry. Practically. What is this block structure means? So slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. Here 4 keywords are there. Don't write it here. Declare is a keyword is there. Don't write it. Don't write it. Don't write it. This is not a case to any capital letters, small letters, anything also possible. Declare is a keyword is there. Don't write it here. Again, another one is what? Begin is a keyword is there. Don't write it here. Very important concept. Okay, so now here begin is a keyword is there. Again, another one is what? Exception is a keyword is there. Exception is a keyword is there. And the last one, is a what? End is a keyword is there. Slowly observe here. Concentrate here. Block structure means 4 keywords are there. One is declare, another one is what? Begin, another one is what? Exception, another one is what? End is there. Slowly observe here. Slowly observe here. Here, declare keyword after semicolon is not there. Carefully observe here. Begin after semicolon is not there. Exception after semicolon is not there, but end after semicolon. Okay, end after we are using a what? A semicolon. That is the end of the program only. Okay, this is the okay, so now some keywords combination is called, this is block structure. This is a what? A block structure only. This is a block actually. Now in this block only, we are writing a coding daily. Why we are writing? What is that one? I will tell you. Now check it out. Here declare keyword is a what? Optional. You are not using a declare keyword also working. Your programs are working. That's why this is an optional. 1 minute observe here. Very important. Again, 5 minutes concentrate. Very important. Begin is a keyword is a what? Mandatory. In a PLSQL program we are writing means compulsory. We are writing a what? A begin keyword. That's why begin is a mandatory. Here again, exception keyword is a what? Optional. That is not a mandatory. Again, end keyword is what? Mandatory. In a books we are referring also, this will be there. This is very easy. Mandatory only. That's why in a PLSQL block we are writing means compulsory. Compulsory, you are writing a what? Begin keyword and end keyword. Slowly observe it here. Don't write it. Just observe it here. Declare to begin. Whatever gap is there, here some coding we are writing. This is called declare section. Don't write it here. Terminology most powerful. This is a declare section only. Yes, here daily we are calling our declare section, executable section, like this terminology most powerful. Again, begin to exception, some gap is there. No, this gap is in a gap, some coding we are writing only. Which coding I will tell you. This is called, this begin to exception, some gap is there. That is called executable section. Terminology most powerful. This is executable section of the PLSQL block. In executable section, which concepts we are using, I will tell you. Here, exception to end is a gap is there. That is called what? Exception section. This is called what? Exception section only. That's why observe here. This is a declare section. This is executable section. This is exception section. Okay, like this only it will be there. Okay, fine. Declare, begin, exception, end. And now check it out. Slowly observe here. What they are telling a Oracle Corporation, always declare is an optional, exception is an optional. Now declare I'm not interested to use. Begin I'm using. Yes, begin is a mandatory. Some coding you are writing. Exception is an optional. End is a semicolon. Program is working. Observe here. Oh, maybe PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Something is there or not. That's why here begin and end keywords are mandatory. Compulsory you're writing in a PLSQL block side. Begin and end. Remaining things are optional. Okay, whenever necessary we are using. But in a declare to begin, not completed. Observe here. Declare to begin. Yes, this is in a declare section. What we can do means, so today we are familiar. What is that one? Variables we are declaring. What is the purpose of variables? Means we are retrieving a data from table. That is important. Here tables are there. Table data we are retrieving and storing into where these variables, and processing means here only affected. What is that one? Why? And all these things I will tell you. That's why here declare section we are using a what? Which one? Variable declarations we are using. Don't write it here. This is variable declarations we are using in a where in your declare section only. Not only that one, next chapter most powerful. This is the first chapter only here. Next chapter, cursor is a concept is there. Most powerful. There is a memory area. We are controlling individual records. That is not possible in a very SQL language side. This one cursor declaration, some memory area declaration, a big variables only. And now here that cursor declarations also we are using in a where in your declare section. But cursor up to now you don't have an idea. That is a separate concept. Okay, so no cursors, exceptions, so procedures, so functions, so triggers, so packages, so types, SQL loader. Okay, so now here again now collections and also. So now here, yes, external tables, UTL file package, these are so much of syllabus is there here. Now, one of the concept only cursor we are declaring in a where? In a declare section, okay. Not only that one, in a C++, Java, .NET programmers, well-known persons, their own exception names they are creating only, that is called user-defined exceptions. That is also same like a what? Front-end language. Here also user-defined exceptions we are declaring in a where? In your declare section. That's why user defined exceptions, user defined, these all the things practically we are learning, don't worry. User defined exceptions we are declaring in a where in your declare section. But unfortunately today only we have an idea variable declaration, I will tell you, don't worry. That's why variable declarations and some other concepts. What is cursor declarations and okay, user defined exceptions declaration. Yes, we are using in a where declare section of the PLSQL block. Why I'm Murli sir telling you what without knowing a cursor, without using user defined exception, also syntax okay, difficulty also I'm telling me is reason is there. In a future, you are learning a Java programmer, .NET programmer, procedure is a concept is there. In that procedure also same concepts. That's why same concepts anywhere. That's why first day we are learning about properly this one. Now in a executable section, what we can do means in executable section, SQL related concepts we are using. Here in this executable section, here SQL related concepts. What are the concepts we are using in a where in executable section means SQL related concept means maybe you have an idea in SQL language side, something I'm telling only here DDL I'm telling, again DML I'm telling, again TCL I'm telling, again DCL I'm telling only. Again, regularly used statement means select statement. These are the 5 parts are there in every database SQL language. Now DDL means create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. DML means insert, update, delete, merge. Okay, so merge also we are learning in a way in a future only in a SQL classes. Okay, 9 to 10 only. Now TCL commit, roll back, save point. Next we are telling only in a TCL we are starting no. Now here grant and revoke like this in a select statement. Now maybe guess it only. Anybody experienced person is there? Tell me. Can we use a what a DDL statements in a where in a PLSQL? Impossible. Impossible. We are not allowed to use. If you want to interested to use that DDL statements in a PLSQL means a dynamic SQL is another concept is there. Through that one we are learning. I will tell you those are all the things. Now here observe here, that's why all the tables I want to drop, all the indexes I want to drop in a real-time project side, execute immediately clause is there in the dynamic SQL side they are using. Now here, can we use a DML statements possible? Yes, possible. DML, there is no problem. That's why in executable section, we are allowed to use an auto executable screen. Anywhere also, DML, insert, update, delete, merge also, we are allowed to use. Possible. Merge also possible. Okay, fine. Now, again, TCL, can we use a what? A commit, rollback, save point, possible? Possible. TCL also we are allowed to use in a where in your begin executable section or PLSQL block, commit, rollback, save point, possible. Only trigger side not possible in a commit and rollback, but all the concept side possible. Again, can we use grant and revoke in a where in a PLSQL block? Impossible. We are not allowed to use DCL commands directly in a where PLSQL block. Impossible. Can we use a select star from table name in a where PLSQL? Impossible. We cannot use. Okay. Another clauses are there. Select into clauses are there. That's why always in your executable section, so many rules are there here. PLSQL engine, SQL engine, so many things are there. Later you are familiar. Now observe here. Begin and end only we are allowed to use a what? A DML statements. Insert, update, delete, merge, comma. Now which one? TCL statement, transaction control long base, that is commit, rollback, save point. We are using only these two statements only we are allowed to use. Some rules based. Not only that one, today we are learning only one important concept, only most powerful, very important concept. Select into clause. This into clause is not there in SQL. You are observing or not? Beautiful concept only. Select into clause only. Something is there. What is this one? Yes, these things we are learning in our course. Select into clause, into clause. That into clauses are not there in a where SQL, only PLSQL and also SAP. Okay, so now here ERP is there. In that one also select into clause is there. Not only that one here, conditional statements we are using. If is there, I will tell you. Again, loops are there. Those are control statements. That's why here conditional, comma, control statements we are using. Control statements we are using in a where in your executable section. Again, in an exception section, observe here. In exception section, what we can do means here we are handling a what? Runtime errors. In exception section, we are handling a what? Runtime errors. Handling. Suppose anybody C++ programmer, well-known persons in a Java program, well-known any number divided by 0, then not a compile time error. Runtime error is occurred or not? So the same like those errors here also runtime errors are there. Those runtime errors handling mandatory concepts actually project side. That's why handling runtime errors means exception concepts are there very important. In the third chapter only we are learning those all the things. Handling runtime errors. Okay, these all the things big chapters only we are learning. Okay, roughly first time newcomer purpose. Yes, so block structure means yes, so this type of coding only. Here 4 keywords are there. In that 4 keywords under some concepts we are using only, that is called block structured programming language. Okay, na? Yes, first time slowly this one write it. Once we are starting a practical means you are understandable. Write it this one. This is a block structure. Not a capital, not a small letters, just visibility, different purpose we are writing. Slowly write it this one. Then very interesting, practically totally different. Solely declare optional, begin mandatory, exception optional, end semicolon mandatory. Here some coding, here other coding. Some handling runtime errors. Completed. Slowly, otherwise take a snap. Okay, these are the rules, so don't worry. Now, how you are writing a what in this block only programming means 3 steps I'm telling today. Through that one, very easy, but be careful. Now here, now check it out. First, blindly, same like a front end language, some steps is there. Those steps I'm telling only. Through that one, we are starting a programming. Programming is very interesting, very useful also. Now we are in a Java.NET side, front end developer side, procedures, those all the things today concept based only we are learning. Finished. Now, side heading. Uses means later, but first construction we are telling. Write it. Declaring a variable. Declaring a variable. Declaring a variable. 3 steps I will tell you. Through that one we are starting. Very easy. Declaring a variable means how can I declare a variable? This is different. Already anybody attending what SQL classes I'm telling. In a C language Java.NET, here we are declaring a variable. Left hand side data type, right hand side variable. This is data type, this is a variable. The memory is allocated for that variable. But in a PL/SQL means reverse. Reverse in the sense left hand side variable, same like SQL language. Right hand side data type. That's why in a declare section only, just in a declare section is there, no declare keyword is there, no. Under a declare keyword only, we are declaring the variable. How can I A, B, C like this? First is variable, reverse. Then only data type, either number, either where cat to same like SQL data types are there, no. Here like this only. But every statement ends with a semicolon within a declare section, within an executable section like that. Reverse side only. That's why declaring a variable. Write it. In declare section of the PL/SQL block, why declare section I'm telling means in a future procedure means is or as keyword is there. Declare keyword is not there. That's why. Write it. In declare section of the PL/SQL block, in declare section of the PL/SQL block, we are declaring a variable. We are declaring a variable by using following syntax. By using following syntax. syntax, variable name, right? Variable name, space, data type, size, semicolon. Right. PLSQL means backend work. Okay. Yeah. Front end means Java.NET like that. Here, these procedures and all these things we are calling your Java.NET. How means I will tell you. Don't worry. First construction. Variable name, syntax. Variable name, data type, size. Okay. Na? Finished. Now, for example, just here. Okay. Normally, unfortunately, declaring a variable very easy. But what is the purpose of variable? One value at a time storing. But here, table data, some other data only, not outside data. Outside data, everyone knows table data on what's important. A data type, number, where can do like this. So now here automatically semicolon means automatically memory is allocated for that variable or not. Then we are storing a what value into this variable. How can I will tell you. Write it. Example. What is the difference between SQL and PLSQL? Means SQL is a non-procedural language, but here this is a procedural language. Variables, conditional statements, so many things are there. We are controlling individual records. Cursor onwards, you are understandable. Practically, you are understandable. Difference, so many differences are there. Practical knowledge is required, then you are understandable. Most powerful languages. Completed. Next, side heading, very important. Storing a value into variable. 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 Differences and all these things in this class, don't worry. Later, you are only telling that much powerful, so much a big concept. That's the first time not telling that one. Why? Because some knowledge is there, means easily understandable. Now, side heading, storing a value into variable. How can I store a value into variable means very, very, very important. Now check it out. Concentrate. This is slight difference in a front end. Suppose in a C language or Java, .NET, these type of languages side, how we are declaring a variables? Already I'm telling only left hand side data type, right hand side variable. Okay. Integer is a data type, A is a variable. The memory is allocated for that variable. Everyone knows. In this variable, stores a what one value at a time. In this variable, how can I store a what data in a front end language? Everyone knows. Variable name is equal to is there in a front end. Yes, that some value we are using only semicolon. Now, whenever we are using this one, is equal to is also called as assignment operator. Maybe anybody front end languages you have an idea means Java, Python. Yes, here these all languages side is equal to is a what? Assignment operator. Maybe some fellows having idea or not. Assignment operator. Yes, in this assignment operator, right hand side value is automatically stored into a left hand side variable or not. Yes, here. That's why here only the data is storing whenever we are using like same like here also in a PLSQL also same syntax, but unfortunately symbol is different. In a PLSQL, how we are storing a what? Yes, as a value means observe here in a PLSQL in a declare section we are declaring a variable. Okay, fine. Suppose for example here only declaring a variable means a number like this only. For example, slightly difference. Slowly observe here. Okay, fine. Now memory is allocated for that variable. Everyone knows. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. Now I want to store a value into variable means how can I means either executable section or declare section. Some rules are there. I will tell you next. First observe here. Suppose here same syntax here left hand side variable here variable. Okay. Here not a is equal to colon equal to operator. This is different. Operator is different. Observe here. Colon equal to operator. This colon equal to is not there in a where SQL language side. Here colon equal to is an assignment operator in our PLSQL side. The slight difference. Here colon equal to is an assignment operator. Colon equal to is an assignment operator. Is equal to is a what comparison operator in a where PLSQL side. Slight difference. Here I am writing a what 80 or 90 or like this here. Now automatically this right hand side value is storing into where left hand side variable only. Now left hand side variable like this only. Now here check it out. Here automatically that value is storing in a way left hand side variable like this. Okay, fine. That's why is equal to is also called as assignment operator. Yes, is equal to is also called as what? Assignment operator in the front end, but in a way Oracle PLSQL side, colon equal to is called assignment operator. Colon equal to is a what? Assignment operator. That's why now only operator is a different. Remaining syntax is same or not? Yes, God. Now check it out. Very important. Write it. By using, write it something. By using assignment operator, by using assignment operator within the bracket, colon equal to right. Colon equal to right. By using assignment operator within the parenthesis, colon equal to. We can also, why I'm telling you some other different method is there later. We can also store a value into, we can also store a value into variable. Syntax, right? Variable name colon equal to value. Variable name colon equal to value. 1 minute only. Variable name colon equal to value. Okay, na? And now here just I am writing where which section means I am not telling, only practically I am showing all the things, differences and all this. Here go to SQL prompt, declare here a number like this, semicolon, begin variable name colon equal to here 80 or 90 like this, semicolon, here end like this. Some practical I'm showing, don't worry. First some other knowledge. Completed. Hello, completed this one. And now what happened here, whenever we are declaring a variable means memory is allocated here like this. Now we are using a want assignment operator means this right hand side value is stored into left hand side variable like this. Okay, same like a front end, but symbol is colon equal to. Okay, yeah. So now very slash means run. Slash means here run this one program we are running in a practically. Here slash means run, same like a SQL runtime values we are using, no, in a where insert statement side, same like here run this one. Okay, na? Yeah. So now don't disturb me, small things, very easy. Now here now check it out, concentrate here. Now next is most powerful. What is that one means? Okay, you are declaring a variable. What is the purpose means? Today we are learning only table data we are retrieving. How can I will tell you? Then I want to display this variable value or message. Very important. How can I miss? I will tell you. Side heading. This is a little bit of difficult. Slowly observe here. Display a message. Third step here. Display a message or display message or variable value. This is most powerful. Variable value. Display a message or variable value. Actually, in all languages, display a message or variable value is what? Different. Here only different. In a C language means printf, very easy. In a C++, cout, very easy. In a Java system.out.println, very easy. Again, in a .NET console.writeline, very easy. But unfortunately, in our class, different. Slowly observe here. If you want to display variable value or message, means some other knowledge is required. But up to today, you don't have an idea of those things. Actually, PLSQL is a collection of so many predefined packages are there. Same like a Java, so many packages are there. A package is a big chapter only in a feature, collection of procedure functions, so many things are there. One of the packages is DBMS underscore output is a package. DBMS underscore LOB is a package. UTL underscore file is a package. DBMS underscore pipe is a package. That's why so many packages are there. One of the package is what? DBMS underscore output is a package. This is a predefined. In this package, so many procedures, so many functions are there. What is package? What is procedure? What is function? Today, you don't have an idea. Just roughly observe it here. One of the procedure is there. What is that one? Put underscore line is a procedure is there. Just we are calling a what? This procedure from this package means dot operator we are using. In a procedure, in a function we are calling from the package means dot operator. That's why here DBMS underscore output dot. Here put underscore line is a procedure we are using only. That much of difficult. But unfortunately, suppose you are a first time newcomer, just if you want to interested to view those that package means DSC is a describes a keyword is there in SQL or not? Yes, here. Just DSC, what the table name is there, EMP is there, DEPT is there. We are typing in SQL language or not? Same like which package details you want means that package we have to type it. DBMS underscore LOB is a package. In this package, so many procedures, functions are there or not? What is procedure? What is the function? Later. Okay, don't worry. Big chapters these are. Now DSC, DBMS underscore utility is a package is there. Observe here. Yes, so many procedures and functions. And now here DSC here now DBMS underscore output is a package. Observe here. Yes. DBMS underscore output is a package is there. What I'm telling you about without knowledge of the package also, these packages we are referring so many times. DBMS underscore output is a package. In this one, put underscore line is a procedure is there or not? Yes, your procedure, function, so many things are there in a packages on. Now that one we are using. But unfortunately, what is procedure, what is function, what is package? You don't have an idea. That's why I am writing a what, how can I mean? Directly I am telling only. And now here, what is that one means? I will tell you, write it. In PLSQL, if you want to display, display a message, or variable value, then we are using following syntax. 1 minute only. What is the syntax means? Don't write it only. Observe it here. Concentrate. First time newcomer. No? Here DBMS underscore output something is there. Here dot operator. We're accessing a package procedure means dot. Here put underscore line something is there. There is a procedure. Here within the parenthesis single quotes. In a message you want to display means single quotes. Hi, how are you? Anything like this only. Message like this only. Message. This is a single quotes only. But unfortunately, semicolon. Otherwise, Variable value I want to display. Variable value I want to display means not like that. DBMS underscore output something is there. Output dot here put underscore line only. Practically we are learning here without a single quotes. Here variable means that variable name we are using. Suppose here A is a variable is there, in that one some data is there, employee name and Smith or anything like this, otherwise A or anything, okay, 50 or anything, or character data, otherwise number, otherwise date, anything is there. This value I want to display means direct this variable name. In that case, we are not allowed to use single quote only. Just we are using a what? A variable name. Here variable name only. Variable name we are using semicolon. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now here this DBMS underscore output up to this one is also called as package in a feature. Or maybe some package name this one. Package name only. Here put underscore line something is there. This is a what? Procedure name. That is you are not writing also not a problem, but better to know in a later which is understandable. Write it this syntax. In PLSQL, if you want to display a message or variable value, then we are using following syntax. Okay, that is the thing. In PLSQL, if you want to display a message or variable value, then we are using following syntax. Syntax, write it. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line message means single quotes message semicolon. Or DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line variable value means variable name directly semicolon. This DBMS underscore output is called package name. Packages, don't worry. Put underscore line is a procedure name, something. Procedure package later. Okay, where we are using what this one? Actually, already have an idea. Declare section, begin exception, and something I'm telling no. Here declare is there, begin is there, and exception is there, and is there. Already we are telling okay, fine, semicolon and semicolon. Now check it out. But where we are using a what? This packaged procedure means can we use this one in a way declare section possible? No, not possible. Only we are allowed to use a what? This DBMS underscore output package in a where executable section or in a where exception section only. In a declare section, we are not allowed to use this DBMS underscore output package. Very important. But how can I display messages in a declare section? I will tell you. Write it. Write it. Put underscore line is a mandatory. Okay. Don't worry. This put underscore line. So many procedures are mandatory. Write it. Some theory. This package is used in this package is used in either in executable section, or in exception section of the PLSQL block, or in exception section of the PLSQL block. Either in executable section or in exception section of the PLSQL block. Okay, na? Finished. This package is used in executable section of the or exception section of the PLSQL block. Okay, na? Yes. This is the theory. Now we are starting a practical, very, 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 very important, totally different. First 5 minutes concentrate, most powerful. Then also very, very important, very interesting one. It's totally different. These are all the things. Now check it out. First, before we are going to start this practically, I am telling only block structure means declare, begin, exception, end keyword is there. After declare keyword, after begin keyword, after exception keyword, after exception keyword, there is no semicolon. Only end keyword after only semicolon. And also in a sections are there, no, within the declare section, not a keyword, sections, whatever statements we are giving, that is a semicolons. Okay, na? Here also semicolons. In a sections also semicolons, ends with a semicolon. In a keyword after only semicolon is not there. In a where, in these all the cases semicolon. Practically you are understandable, those all the things. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. First, very, very interesting. Something is there. Same like a SQL language. Whenever you are installing a Oracle software, already you are installing, I think. Which tool is their default tools? SQL plus tool available. Through that tool, we are writing a what programs possible. Otherwise, explicitly you are loading a what? SQL developer is a tool. Otherwise, Toad is a tool. Otherwise, SQL Navigator is a tool. In that tools also you are working. Not a problem. Same like a SQL. Where the environment means where the which was SQL we are writing a coding daily, same in that area only. That's why maybe you are a previous students of SQL only. That's why directly I'm telling. I'm installing a Oracle software. Here I'm opening. Observe here what happened. Different totally. Observe here. Writing what after writing what happened. Observe here. This is a enterprise edition my software. This is a username. Okay, fine. Scott is extra user through. I'm practicing only. Now we are Scott and Tiger like this. Now we are connected to the where Oracle database enterprise edition. Here only I'm interested to write a program. What happened? 5 minutes. Observe here. 5 minutes. Very important. First 5 minutes. Very important. How much powerful means today you are understandable. Carefully here or now. In SQL prompt, I try to write a what? Declare, begin, exception, and daily. But today, first program, I'm interested to display a message. Everybody starting a programming languages means just entertainment purpose. So many lecturers telling a what? Displaying a message they are telling. In a C language printf, C++, C out like this only. Same in our class also, I'm displaying a message I'm telling. But what happened? Observe it. This is different. Now, that's why I'm interested to display message. That's why declare section is not required. Oh, variable declaration assignment not required because that much of thing is there also not required. Okay, fine. Now that's why begin I'm writing. Begin. Observe here. Begin is a mandatory. Observe here. Screen observe here. Begin is a mandatory. In a begin after executable section only, no. That's why here I'm writing a what? Here, yes, DBMS, because I want to interested to display message. DBMS underscore output dot here put underscore line I am typing. Here only I'm using a what? DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Here only I am writing a what? How can I? Single quotes. I'm interested in message. Hi, how are you? Are you sleeping or anything also? Any message I'm writing, but unfortunately, I'm interested to write a what? Welcome. Anything, any message. Single quote close. Here, close parenthesis. Semicolon. Observe here slowly because the every statement ends with a semicolon within a section. So, can I? Yeah. So now here, yes, here. Slowly observe it. You are a first time newcomer. Now I am not interested to write exception. Exception, what is that one? Up to now, you don't have an idea. Later chapter. Okay, fine. Observe it here. And now here, check it out. Check it out. Check it out here. DBMS underscore output dot put underscore line. Here, here. Observe it here. Now end semicolon. End after semicolon only. Last a semicolon. Now I'm not interested to save the program up to procedures. Why? Because yes, whenever saving, I'm telling you first file name dot sorry, file name dot SQL and also run means at the rate of get of those all the things means so many fellows are running the programs, they are not typing only at least. In that case, you are not typing properly in a where first time newcomer, they are unable to learn it properly. That's a problem. That's why saving, I'm not telling up to some stage only. Now here, observe here. Now check it out. Every program I'm typing only. And now check it out. Here, this is a program is there. Now I want to run this program. Run this program. Yes, run means slash. I'm using only. Just the same like a SQL only. Run means slash. I'm using only. Okay, fine. That is better. Save is there, but I'm not telling. Now here, yes, run this one slash. But what the output? Very slowly, I'm telling you are observing or not. What the output? Yes, very good. I am also, you are also, some fellows are sleeping also. They are telling a what? Oh, nothing is Murli sir. Why you are telling very slowly this one only? Yes, yes, simple. Welcome is a what? Yes, your output, whatever you are writing a what in a DBMS underscore dot output only, that message only displayed. Everyone telling it won't work. Impossible. What is this one? That's why, yes, this is different. All languages are different. This is a streaming output is different in a PLSQL. Now it will display a beautiful message. A PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Welcome is not displayed. Observation. What is this one? Welcome is not displayed. PLSQL procedure successfully completed. Welcome is not displayed. PLSQL procedure successfully completed means what is the use? That's why very important here. Now concentrate, don't write it. Okay, so now 5 minutes concentrate. Already I'm telling. Why? Because so many things are there in academic career side also. You don't have an idea that concept only. Reasons you don't have an idea, but you are writing something sets error output on something only. But that is not a reason. Yeah, today you are understandable. That's why experience is required to handle the projects. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Why this is not displaying? So many fellows having a doubt only. First, observe it here. So many stories are there here. Actually, suppose the academic career side also, so many fellows are PLSQL, some universities database PLSQL is there. Okay, fine, maybe. Now check it out. Now observe here. In that case, in a lab only, they are typing the programs. It is not displayed output means so many fellows are telling on a lab only. In a computer students are there. They're telling, oh, nothing is there. Just we have to type it a what? Server is off only. Server is on means set space. Server output space on only. We have to type it. Then only it will display message only. Then server is on only. Then automatically display output. They are telling only. That is absolutely wrong one. Set server output on okay. But in that, what is set server output on? Nobody knows. Actually, academic career said, otherwise outside person nowadays working professionals also doesn't know. Just they are thinking of what, oh, maybe server is off only because server output is there. No, server is off only. Then we are on only automatically working. They are thinking that is absolutely wrong one. Now, what is this one? I will tell you. First, observe here. Suppose now set space. Observe here. Set space server output space on. I am typing means working. Now here observe here. Welcome. But why? What is this set server output on? Where is server output? Server is on or off? No, it's totally different. What is the meaning of set server output? Something means concentrate here. 5 minutes concentrate. Now you are understandable. All the things only. Now observe it here. In a PLSQL, what the problem is? We are displaying a what? A variable or messages means two ways actually. Not a one way, two ways. What is the one way means? Observe here, observe here. Here, some concept is there, bind variable. Some concept is there, bind variable. Some concept is there. Okay, fine. Through that one, you are displaying a what? Yes, messages are variable only. In that case, not required in a set server output on. Set server output on something you are typing. No, what is that one? I will tell you today. This is not required. Without using this one, some concept is there. Through that one, we are displaying a messages are variable value. But another method is there, regularly used method, DBMS underscore output package through. We are displaying a what? Messages are variable value. Yes, this is regularly used every programmer. But unfortunately, in this method we are using means yes, compulsory extra settings are required. What is that one means? Set server output on something. What is this one? Oh, maybe whenever I'm telling like this means you are understandable. Set server output not related to PLSQL. This is related to this package only. In a PLSQL, some other concept is there in a feature. Through that one we are writing means in that case set server output on some environment variable settings are not required. But unfortunately, DBMS underscore output package we are using means compulsory environment setting is required. Set line 100 is there, no, same like set server output on is required. Why? Any reason is there? What happened? I will tell you. But why they are not preferring what? This method, yes, another method is there without set server output on means this is a 3-step process. Each and every time you are writing a 3 steps means not so easy actually. That's why nobody preferring what? These type of methods only without set server output on not there also. But unfortunately here, concentrate here. Yes, what happened in a where DBMS underscore output package we are using means what happened, observe here. Whenever this is a default nature of the DBMS underscore output package, whenever we are using a DBMS underscore output package, put underscore line, automatically, one buffer is created internally. This a buffer is created. DBMS underscore output package default nature this one. This buffer is created up to 2000 bytes only. It will be created. Okay, fine. Bytes not a problem. Buffer is created. You are a first time newcomer. Then whatever you are passing a string or variable value, suppose here hi, how are you, welcome, anything also I am passing or not, that string or that variable value automatically stored in this buffer only. In this buffer only it will be storing. Okay, fine. This is a server. And now here in this buffer only that passed string or variable is storing. But this buffer data is not visible in a tools. Client tools are there, not visible in a where in your Toad, in your SQL developer, in your SQL Plus tool, in your SQL navigator. It is not visible that occasion of buffer data into where your tool. That's a problem. This is a client tools, this is a server. Now, yes, if you want to visible, if you want to get this buffer data into where your client tool means SQL Plus means different settings. Okay, so now here, yes, your Toad means different. Again, SQL developer means different. Nobody knows that one. In SQL Plus tool, just we are setting a what environment. How you are setting environment? Set is a keyword there. Set line 100, set page. I am telling no. Set server output is an environment variable is there. That is by default off only. Just we are using a on means then automatically this SQL Plus tool only get the data from the where buffer into where your SQL Plus tool. That is important, most powerful. Suppose in a where in another tool SQL developer we are using me set server output on is not there. In that case, DBMS underscore output package is there, that is enable in a where in that occasion of here, yes, no, file menu only, then automatically it is working. That's why different things are there in a way different client tools. But here we are using a what SQL Plus tool only. Now really this is SQL Plus tool related concept. Yes, this is so many philosophers doesn't know. Show all I'm typing only. And now here that's why knowledge is most powerful. And now here show all. In this one server output is there or not? Yes, server output. Very important. Suppose in a GUI tools are there, those persons are using a what? Yes, here another concept only. And what they are using means DBMS underscore enable is a what something is there. That one, that procedure they are using only in a where in a file menu, edit menu like this. In that one only here they are selecting only in a way that one automatical output window is displayed. Yes, we are working only that much of powerful. But SQL Plus tool side set server output on compulsory. But each and every time say every PLSQL program also DBMS underscore output is there. Each and every time set server output on we are using no. Only one time is enough. Only one time is enough. But when the so many programmers first only they are giving only set server output on. Suppose here now check it out. I'm using a what here username and also password like this. Here just first only they are using a what set server output space on only we are using only. Then they are writing in a program, there is no problem. Just here display the output only from DBMS underscore output package. Here like this only. Here welcome is a string is there. Here like this. Now automatically it will be displayed. Simple. Not required to each and every program before they are not using only. One time is enough. Up to end of the session that will be there. That is most powerful. That notes write it. Write it. Other tools different. Okay. Yeah. SQL Plus tool first we are learning. Okay, this program write it first, then this theory I am telling. SQL plus tool theory I am telling, that is better. We are first time newcomer. No? In SQL prompt only we are using set server output, or not in a PLSQL. Okay, this is PLSQL program. Both the things right. This is set server output on SQL prompt, write it. This environment setting in SQL plus tool. Here this one. Fastly write it. Then we are starting very, very important concepts. Complete data, this one fast. Now write it some theory. This theory write it. In PLSQL, whenever we are passing data into DBMS underscore output package, then that package internally automatically creates a buffer, and also pass data automatically stored in this buffer. This buffer data is not visible. This buffer data is not visible in SQL plus client tool. To overcome this problem, we must set server output environment variable by using following syntax. Following syntax at SQL prompt. That's better. At SQL prompt. Following syntax at SQL prompt. Syntax. Go to SQL prompt, write it. Set space server output space on. Set space server output space on. Okay, na? Yeah. Next, very, very important. How can I retrieve the data from table? All the things most powerful. That is after 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes. Take a break only. After 5 minutes, I will tell you those all. Okay, na? Finished. Take a break. 5 minutes on. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. It is audible. All are coming. Hello. Yeah. Now onwards, very, very, very important concept. The actual concept today we are learning. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose you are displaying a what message. Same like a message variable also I try to store a value. Suppose here declare, don't write it here, declare. Here I am declaring a variable. How can I miss? I will tell you variable name, data type like this. Now here memory is allocated for that variable. Everyone knows. Yes, in a future we are storing a what in this variable one value only, number, data type. That's why in executable section I am assigning a value variable name colon equal to anything 80 or 90 or 70 or anything like this I am typing. Now here I want to display variable value. How can I? Just whenever we are using a what a70 means a colon equal to means just that 70 is storing in a where in this variable. I want to display this variable value means we are using a what dbms underscore output dot put underscore line only. Here variable name is directly like this. Okay, fine. And semicolon. Observe here. Yes, 70 is there or not? Yes. Now, but so many fellows having a doubt. Can we assign the value in a declare section? Possible. Anywhere also we are assigning a value either in a declare section or in executable section. Anywhere also possible. Suppose 80, I'm assigning like this. Yes, possible. Yes, here either in a assignment operator we are using in a declare section, same like a normal language. Not only that one in executable section, but some rules are there. Constant not null value that is later. Now first observe here. First we are practicing purpose only. Better in a executable section I am assigning a value. Okay, na? Yes, here. Now write it this program. Then we are starting important all the things only. Example. One program, right? Small program. Completed. Hello, finished. Now up to 20 minutes concentrate. Most powerful concept. Very, very, very important concept. 20 or 30 minutes concentrate today. Now check it out. First observe it. Okay. Slowly one by one we are starting only very interesting concepts. And now check it out. Okay. This is a variable declaration. Okay, like this. Suppose here you are observing or not dbms underscore output we are using in a where in executable section. So many fellows are asking what they are asking. Okay, you are displaying a messages means a dbms underscore output we are allowed to use an executable section. In executable section you are displaying a message. Okay, not a problem. But declare section I want to display a message. How can I? They are asking some interviewer. I want to display a message in a declare section. Possible? No, not possible. Why? Because in a declare section, we are unable to use a what? A dbms underscore output package. That's why in a declare section, we are unable to display messages. But unfortunately, one chance is there. What is that chance means? Anybody attending a what? SQL classes, if you are interested to display a message in a where, in a declare section, in SQL classes, you have an idea, one operator is there. What is that one? Substitutional operator, ampersand, you have an idea or not? Yes. Whenever we are using a what? Ampersand, just predefined message, I am telling only insert into statement side, I am telling slowly in a first initial stage, in that one, enter value for a predefined message is there. This is only possible. Other than this one, impossible. If you are interested to display any messages, impossible in a declare section. Why? Because DBMS underscore output package is not we are allowed to use in a where declare section. That's why only one message only possible. Which message? Whenever we are using a ampersand operator, then one predefined message is there. Enter value for is a message that is only displayed in a where. Yes, your message to the where environment, end user understandable message. That one, that message nobody changing only. That message you are interested to display in a declare section means use it, not a problem. Ampersand we are using, then automatically enter value for it will display. Only one chance is there. Why suddenly I am telling a what that one means reason is there. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose now 1 minute observe here. Simple. Just anywhere also we are assigning a value here. Colon equal to here also we are assigning the value possible. But unfortunately here I want to display a what a message means not possible in a declare section, but only just we are using a what ampersand operator. Only one chance is there. Ampersand operator. Ampersand operator means predefined message enter value for already SQL side I'm telling. Now A means A, B means B, or now anything also. Enter value for A, it will display or not? Yes, here. Observe here. Enter value for A, it will display. Just same like a printf scan. If something is there in a C language, no. Yes, printf side enter value for A, something we are using. In that case is helpful only. Now here I am writing a what 80 or 90 or anything. Automatically it will display or not. First write it this one, then we are starting through this one. Very, very important concept. How much powerful you are understandable. Write it another example. Don't disconnect only, very important. So many things are there. Original concepts. This one also write it. Ampersand means enter value for is a predefined message SQL classes side. I am telling no. Yeah. Completed this program. Hello. Completed. Hello. Yeah. Now, based on this knowledge, I am asking small program only in a C, C++, Java. You have an idea some programs? No, same program. Today you are only tell me enough. Not writing, then required to write. Tell me enough. Convert into PLSQL just to practice purpose. Then through that one, I am telling a what. Now here, yes, here all the things only. I'm not explaining anything. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Concentrate. This is nothing. Now here. Now screen observe it. Screen observe it here. Already SQL said enter value for you have an idea. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Suppose this is a C program is there, for example, very interesting. C program is there. In a C program, yes, you are writing a what printf, scanf, something only. Now here, yes, here. In a printf, enter value for A, in a scanf, read the value from the keyboard. You have an idea or not? Same like some program you are writing in a C language. C language, this is a program is there. In that one, what is the output here? Enter value for A is there. Observe here. Enter value for A is there. Okay, fine. In a scanf they are writing some coding, then after that one enter value for the B they are writing only in a where in a occasion of your printf side only, for example. Then whenever they are entering a what A and B values, then a total I want only. Suppose here total C is I want here total C summation means so total C is I want only. Now here check it out. Suppose you are entering a what here some number here 5, yes, here another number B 4, 5 plus 4 9 I want to display. This is the outputs I want to display. But same like this program I want to convert. You are a first time newcomer means I want to convert this program into PLSQL. Tell me anybody tell me fast. I want to convert this program into where PLSQL side. Now fast, tell me, how can I? Very good. So many fellows are telling only very good. Now don't write it. Very interesting. Something is there. Declare. Very good. Declare correct. Next, declare. Okay, fine. Just practice purpose. Declare. Next, enter value for means DBMS underscore output. We are not allowed to use in a declare section. No, that's why. How can I? Very good. Very good. Here, A is a variable. Okay, very good. Number is a data type. Yes, colon equal to means assignment operator is there. No, very good. Here only we are writing a what? Ampersand. Very good. Correct. Ampersand means enter value for predefined message in SQL side. I am telling you, no. Yes, A I want to display means A. Ampersand A. Correct. First statement is correct. Next, tell me. Next, tell me, how can I? Yes, here B. Very good. Correct. B number like this only. Now here, yes. Colon equal to, yeah, very good. Just again, we are using a what? Ampersand, very good. So many fellows are telling correct. Ampersand B, like this only. Okay, fine. Now, yes, enter value for A, enter value for B, correct. Yes, C, I want to declare a C is a what? Some other variable, one by line mechanism. Now here, now executable section, very good. Begin, okay, fine. Now summation, I want A plus B values, I want. How can I? Very good. C is equal to or colon equal to, very good. C colon equal to A plus B, correct, 100% correct up to this program. Now the value is available in a where? Which variable? C variable. Now I want to display this value. How can I? DBMS, very good. DBMS underscore output dot here, which one? Put underscore line only here, which one? C, very good. C. Now here end a semicolon, but don't try to write a what? These type of entertainment programs in a PLSQL. Don't write it. I am not preferring. Now here, yes, here. Why means reason is there. Actually, this program is working, but what the problem means? PLSQL is a most powerful database server language. What is database server language? Means retrieve the data from the table most of the time. Retrieve the data from the database. But here, in a way, you are observing this declaration means outside value. Outside value means A colon equal to, we are writing only this 80 or 90 is available in a where outside. Outside values we are storing in a this variable means colon equal to, but you want to retrieve the data from table is important. This is a table is there, no? In this table only some value is there. Okay, fine. Yes, here table is important. In this table only that value is there. That value you are retrieving into where these variables means don't use in a colon equal to. Colon equal to is not working. In place of this colon equal to, we are using a what? Another concept only. What is that one? Select into clause. Select into clause. That is the first concept in a PLSQL. Most powerful. Outside data we are storing into variable means we are using a what? A colon equal to. But a table data you want to retrieve means then we are using a what? Yes, here always select into clause. Most powerful. That is the first concept in a where? In a PLSQL side. Yes, the previous case program is working, but we are not preferring only those type of things. Okay, na? Yes, here. That's why what is my intention? Just observe it here. Yes, this is the variable is there in a PLSQL. Outside value we have to store. Outside value means not a table value. Outside value we have to store means variable name colon equal to something we are writing only. Then automatically outside value is storing in a way this variable. I don't want like this. I want to store the data. I want to get the data from the where? Yes, table only. Suppose here these are tables are there in a database means table. Okay, fine. This is EMP, DEPT, some tables are there. No, in this table some value is there. This value I want to store it into where? In this variable. PLSQL variable means not a colon equal to. Colon equal to is not working. Colon equal to assignment operator means always yes outside data, but table data you want to retrieve means a new class we are learning. What is that one? Select into class. Very important. Select into class we are using only. Outside data also working in a where? In a workation of your program side. I am not preferring. But always most of the time select into clause is most powerful. Table data we are retrieving. What is the purpose? Table data, all the things I will tell you today. Very important concept. That's the first concept in a PLSQL. Now onwards we are starting. Write it. Select into clause. Write it. Select dot into clause. Select into clause. Not a select class. Select into class. Into class is not in SQL. Select into class. That's why this is totally different. Write it fastly. Some theory write it. Then practical I am showing programs through all. Write it. select into class, select into class, select into class is used to, select into class used to retrieve data from table, is used to retrieve data from table, and then that data, and then that data is store it into PLSQL variable, PLSQL variable, and then the data is stored it into PLSQL variables. Okay, na? And now concentrate, not completed. So much of powerful here. Now 5 minutes again observe it here. Again observe it here. Now check it out. Concentrate here. Very important. This is very important. Practically very important. Now check it out. Concentrate here. It's totally different actually. That's why slowly I'm telling. This is a table is there. Slowly observe it here. Very why? Because this is totally different. First only I'm telling different this one. EMP table is there. In this EMP table, already have an idea. Employee number is a column. Sorry, employee number is a column. E name is a column. Job is a column. Salary is a column. So many columns are there. Okay, fine, not a problem. Now check it out. Here in this employee number, E name and salary, some rows are there. Data is there. Suppose here 737902 anything. Okay, some numbers are there. No, now here 7369 here. Smith is an employee, for example. Here 800 is a salary. Like this, some data is there or not? Again 7902, for example. Here Ford is an employee. So many employees are there. Observe here. Roughly, I'm taking one or two values. Again 7566. Here Jones is an employee. Like this, only so much of data is there. Okay, maybe you have an idea, not in SQL side. Okay, fine. Now this is a table is there. This is a PLSQL. Slowly observe here. This is a reverse totally. Now PLSQL. Up to now we are learning different. This one is different. In a PLSQL, these are the three variables are there in my project only. For example, A and B and C. These are the three variables are there. Okay, fine. Slowly observe here. Three variables are there. Actually, in these three variables, outside data I want to store means A colon equal to 101, B colon equal to XYZ, C colon equal to S2000, like this. Everyone knows. But I don't want to store outside data. I want to store today. I want to store these three employee numbers. Observe here. These three employee numbers from this EMP table. These three employee numbers I want to store. I want to retrieve these three employee numbers. Screen observe it here. Why means something is there. These three employee numbers I want to retrieve, and those employee numbers I want to store it into where? These three variables only. How can I? Very good. So many fellows are telling a colon equal to. No, colon equal to not working. Very good. Colon equal to is not working. Colon equal to means outside data. But this is table data. That's why table data means we are using a word. Which one? In place of colon equal to, which one we are using? Very good. Select into class. Very good. Select into class. Anybody telling a what? Select into class is a wrong answer. What is this one? Wrong one. What is this one? Recently, I am only telling, Murli sir only telling, yes, okay, outside data means colon equal to assignment operator, but table data means select into class. But unfortunately, again, he is telling a what? In this example side, only select into class not working means reason is there. What is the reason? Means select into class always does not return all type of data. Select into class is restrictions are there. Select into class does not return multiple records, multiple values from a single column. Impossible. If you want to return a multiple values or multiple records from a table means, then we go for cursor is a concept. Next chapter, cursor is there. Always select into class, only retrieve, not a what? These multiple values from a single column. Impossible. Only select into class, retrieve what? Single record. Screen observe it. Record. Record means horizontal. This one. Single record at a time. Here, single record. Single record at a time. It will be retrieved. It will be retrieved, or single value at a time. It will be retrieved, and these record values are stored into these variables. That is important. Multiple records means go for cursor, select into class failure. So that's why primary key values based on project side only select into class we are using only. That's why here 7369 here employee number. Again Smith is a what employee name. Again here 800 is a salary working. That's why only single record. Record means horizontally, you have an idea or not? Select into class always returns a single record or single value at a time from a table. Multiple records means select into class failure. In that case, we are using another concept, cursor, that much of powerful. That's why restrictions, select into class always returns a what? Single record. Row type means later. And our record type is there, percentage row type, percentage type. Now listen properly. And now select into class always retrieve a single record or single value from a table. Okay, na? Yeah, that's the default nature only. Now write it. Select into class, write it. Select into class, select into class, always returns single record or single value at a time from a table. At a time from a table. Single record or single value at a time from a table. Everyone underline single record. Single record underline. Okay, na? And now I am writing a syntax, but unfortunately the syntax today is the wrong side I'm telling, but later we are changing daily only. Okay, na? Yes, here now here just our program today, one program I'm writing, that purpose only I'm telling only the syntax. What is the syntax? Don't write it. Here select, here columns, whatever columns values you are interested to retrieve, that one column 1 comma column 2 like this. But unfortunately in place of columns in a future percentage row type is there, in that one star also possible. Again, not only that one, functions also possible. That is later. But first today, just first time, no. Now here some program I want. That's why wrong side I'm telling. Select the number of columns. Into is a class is there. Number of values here. Value 1 variable, no. Variable name 1. Okay, na. Comma. Variable name 2. Variable name 1. Comma. And now here variable name. 2 only, any number of variables also from table name. Here where condition is an optional, where condition like this. Okay, na? And now here that where condition single record at a time. Now this column value you store it into where? This variable. Again this column value you store it into where? This variable. Write it this syntax. Okay, na? And now here this syntax is finished. Yes, here. Now observe here, concentrate here. Actually, where we are using a what this syntax, executable section of the PLSQL block. Declare is there, no. Begin is there, no. After begin keyword only, here only we are writing a what? Select a number of columns into something only, some variables. I will tell you. That's why the select into clause is used in a where executable section of the PLSQL block. Executable section means begin keyword. Okay, yeah, write it. This select into class. This select into class is used in executable section of the PLSQL block. This select into class is used in executable section of the PLSQL block. Executable section of the PLSQL block. Okay, now today I am writing a one program very interesting, that is up to end of the PLSQL also. Daily that program I am changing only. That's why this is very important today. And now check it out. Concentrate here. Maybe everyone good at what SQL, Scott schema table, EMP table, you are familiar. Observe here. A beautiful program only. I like this program. Observe here. Through that program, everyone understandable. Now check it out. One program I'm writing, then we are everyone understandable what is the concept or anything. Now check it out. Slowly observe here. This select into class, how beautiful I am applying this. First observe here. This is a table is there. Concentrate. Select the star from EMP is a table. In this table, slowly observe here. In a EMP table, employee number is a primary key. No? In a very SQL side, maybe constraint chapter or not. In that one, unique values are there. Suppose whenever I'm entering a what in a employee number, then unfortunately corresponding employee name I want to display and a salary I want to display. That is a single record. Suppose I'm entering a what 7844 means Turner I want to display and 1500 I want to display. Again, whenever I'm entering a 756 duplicate data is not there, then automatically Jones I want to display and also the salary is displayed. That's why that is single record information I want to retro. What is my intention? I want to develop a one program, PLSQL program. I am only writing. Why? Because first program is different. Okay. Whenever we are developing what this program, I want to display a message like this: enter value for, I want to display message. Enter value for employee number or number like this. Whenever employee number you are entering like this only 7369 like this, then automatically corresponding employee name is what? Smith is there and salary 800 is there. This is a single record information I want to retro from the web table. How can I? Yes, here always. Yes, select into class we are using today. Multiple records means cursor we are using. And now here check it out. Yes, dynamic values. Whenever yes, enter value for employee number, another employee number I'm taking means then automatically name of the employee and his salary. Suppose what is the employee name? Ford is employee and his salary 3000 I want to display. That's why this employee record information is what? Single record at a time, possible or not possible? That's why observe here. Really that is correct or not? Check it out. Yes, here 7902 any employee number I am entering. Then corresponding employee name is Ford and also job also here. Their salary is 3000 is there or not? That's why whenever user entered employee number, then I want to display employee name and salary because the employee number I am taking means that is a primary key. Unique values it will be written only. Unique record, identified unique record. Same like select into class also unique records are not. Yes, here. Now you are writing a what one program only. Very important program. I am only telling that program. First write it for it. Write a query. write a PLSQL. Write a PLSQL program for user entered employee number. For user entered employee number, then display name of the employee, name of the employee means name no, and his salary, salary column is there, and his salary from EMP table, Observe here, write a PLSQL program for user entered employee number, then display name of the employee and his salary from EMP table. Write a PLSQL program for user entered employee number, then display name of the employee and his salary from EMP table. Okay, na? And now check it out. Screen observe it. Screen observe it here. Suppose how I am writing this program is observed here. 5 minutes observed here. Very interesting. This is I'm imagination. Oh, maybe enter value for I want to display message. User entered. They are asking only maybe ampersand. Whenever they are entering a what employee number, then corresponding employee name and salary, single record information I want to retrieve. This is the way. And now here, check it out. Now here, how can I mean? Observe here, concentrate here. Go to SQL prompt here. Declare I am writing. But I am also here also thinking, oh, first time newcomer means, oh, maybe here for the employee name, salary, and employee number. That's why this is a one variable, this is a one variable, this is a one variable. Totally 3 variables you need to declare for storing these values. We are thinking that is the wrong side. 3 variables are not required. Why? Because enter value for is a message that is ampersand only. Variable is not required. That's why this variable is not required. Only 2 variables enough. You are a good programmer means 2 variables enough. That is code is an employee name I want to store. Okay, in an employee name. Again, salary I want to store purpose. This is a 1 variable and 1 variable. This is a 1 plus 1. 2 variables we are declaring is enough. User entered value is not required. That's why here observe here declare. Don't write it here. Yeah. Here where cat2 I am writing because employee name I want to store. Where cat2 is a variable. Here this employee name I want to store purpose only. Here where cat2 I am writing. Again, salary I want to store purpose. I want to store this salary purpose. B I am writing only here. B here number I am writing. Here number I am writing. But unfortunately, this is the way you are writing a what program is working. But unfortunately, most programmers are PLSQL very good professionals. They're not preferring a what these declarations. They're not interested really. Why? Because whenever A and B and C or D or any names, their own names they are giving me is this is a database related concept. That is a table column related concepts only. That's why whenever suppose here I am writing this program A and a variable and B is a variable, I am writing this program today working. But whenever I am resigning of my job only, then another fellow, you are only joining a what in place of me only. But you are not understandable this program. Why? Because A means character means here A means here job is there and also E name is there or another column is there. Which column related this one confusing. Suppose B is a number means employee number is there, salary is there, MGR is there, department number is there, commission is there. So many columns are there. That's why which column based relation based only this variable they are declaring. Okay, so now you are not understandable. There is a problem. That's why always be a good PLSQL programmers, good professionals. How they are preferring means naming conventions. Suppose Java, .NET, these type of languages side variable means B, parameter means P, like this only global variable means G. Some symbols are there or not, but same like this is table column related. That's why PLSQL side some naming conventions they are interested to use as so good programmers. How can I mean variable means V I am using. I'm in my classes V underscore I'm using, not a mandatory. V also not a problem. A variable, yes, that column related name I'm using. E name is oh maybe V underscore E name is that is a variable. Oh, E name is oh that is a okay, everyone understandable. I'm resigning a job also. You are also understandable. This E name related value is storing maybe now here. Yes. Again, yes, in place of B also here V underscore salary. In my classes, I'm telling a salary means oh maybe this is a salary. That is a variable, nothing. Yet we are using also working, but better to use a what? Yes, here column related names. Because that column values are storing into these variables or not. That's why E name is here I am giving only employee name. Salary means related names. That's why V underscore E name is a variable and V underscore salary is a what? Variable. That's all. These are variables only. Okay. But say everyone understandable, end user understandable. These are column related names only. And now here, yes, easy. And now check it out. Begin. Okay. Outside data I want to store. Suppose here outside data I want to store means colon equal to we are using. Suppose my name is Murli. Murli I want to store means colon equal to. But table data I want. Table data I want means then we are using a what? Select into class. Select which column? Column names you have an idea? No. E name comma salary into not a from. Now here yes variable. What is the variable? V underscore E name. I want to store that value into variable. Here arrow mark we are using no. V underscore E name. V underscore salary from EMP, where user entered employee number means where employee number is equal to 7566. I am typing. Whenever I am typing like this means yes, this program is working, but unfortunately, one time we are executing me 7566 employee name and salary, it will display. Second time I am executing also same employee name, same salary. Third time I am executing also same employee name and same salary. Fourth time I am executing also same Jones and some salary only. That's why yes, whenever in a number of times we are executing this program also same outputs, but I don't want like this. I want dynamic values. Here, enter value for user entered a different values only. In that case, in place of this one, we are using a what? Ampersand operator. That's why ampersand is most powerful in a SQL side. In such side, we are telling only yes. Anywhere also we are applying ampersand. We are using means enter value for is a message. It will display. And now here number is a message is there. Suppose in place of this one, any other message is there. Employee is a message is there. Suppose that message only I want to display means here employee I'm giving. This is not a variable message end user. Here, okay, number they are giving only. And now here, yes, here like this. Here also number. Okay, fine. We are using like this only. That's all. Whatever name we are giving here means it is display purpose, not a variable. That one display purpose. Okay, na? Yes, here end user understandable. Ampersand means enter value for. Now the data is available where variables. Here observe here. This value is available in a this variable, this column value is available in a where this variable. Now this variable values I want to use a what conditionally, if condition, so many things are there later. But today first time no, I want to display means dbms underscore output. Here concentrate, very important. dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. I am also here also first time newcomer means how I am thinking about nothing is there. V underscore ename variable comma v underscore salary is a variable. We are thinking only not working, impossible. Number of variables in a where in a comma it is not working in a dbms underscore output. That's why today without any knowledge also dsc dbms underscore output I am typing only. Why? Because why? So only one parameter is there in a dbms underscore output. Observe here dsc dbms underscore output is package is there. In that package put underscore line only one parameter is there. Argument means parameter, only one parameter is there, only one parameter. Yes, number of parameters not working only in a where in a put underscore line. That's why based on the type of package or procedure behavior based only we are applying. That's why here comma, yes, in a question mark, anything directly number of variables we are using, it won't work. But if you want to treat it as a what, this is total number of parameters in a single parameter, how can I mean? Anybody attending SQL classes, concatenation operator is there or not? Through the concatenation operator, we are treated as a number of values into where single value possible or not possible. Now that's why here we are using a what? Here concatenation operator, because single parameter is required. Either comma here like this, either semicolon, okay, anything also, either space. I'm interested first time newcomer purpose. And now v underscore salary. This is so many fellows are doesn't know. In a books only they are referring about anything they are writing only. Why they are not preferring about comma number of variables means they are not understandable. But dbms underscore output is a predefined package. Input underscore line is a procedure is there. In that procedure, predefined procedure, only one parameter is there. Number of parameters are not there. That's why we are using a what? Yes, a number of values in a where in a single parameter, that is concatenation operator. We are using either spaces, either commas, either messages, anything also. First time I'm interested to use a what? Open concatenation operator, single quotes. Yes, close the concatenation operator, single quotes. Already SQL side I'm telling this space. No, yes, here I'm interested to display that one. Now we are using a what? And a semicolon. How much easy? Now check it out. I try to execute this program. I'm copying this one. Okay, fine. Yes, here screen observe it. Now check it out here. Now, yes, enter value for number. Automatically displayed or not? I am entering a what? In a number 7902 like this. Automatically, yes. Name of the employee is what? Ford and salary. There's a single record or not? That is the beauty of this program. And now here, yes, I'm entering a what? 7566. Yes, automatically. Jones and his salary. Okay, single record information is there or not? Yes, here. Again, I'm entering a what? 7839. Okay, fine. Yes, King and 5000. Employee name and salary, it will display or not? Corresponding employee name and salary. Single record information, it will be retrieved or not? Yes, here. Now single record information. Suppose here I'm entering a what? Yes, here. Observe here. 7788 Scott and which was a 2850 single record information. It will be retrieved or not? But unfortunately, I am a programmer means I know 7788 7839. These employee numbers are available in aware in EMP table only. That's why I'm typing only. I'm a lecturer means daily I'm teaching about so many students only. That's why I know the numbers. But unfortunately, yes, end user doesn't know these numbers. Suppose here they are entering about 1111 like this only. This 1111 is available in aware EMP table employee number column. No, not available. Whenever not available this number, then error is occurred. Here error ORA minus 1403 no data found. These errors. These errors are not understandable by the end user customers. That's why in place of these error numbers and messages, suppress these error numbers and messages and display plain text messages. Then we are using a what? Exception handling mechanism under exception section. That is important. Suppose you are going to wear any ATM mission or anything for withdrawing money, for example. Suppose we are inserting a what ATM card, some PIN number, something we are typing only. But unfortunately, in that case, any error is occurred. ORA minus 1403 no data found. It will display. No, it does not display like this. Maybe insufficient funds is a what message it will be displayed. Yes, so whenever ORA minus something numbers it will be displayed means okay, customers are end users not understandable. Those are not a technical programmer. That's why yes, in place of that one error numbers and error messages, yes, suppressing error messages and error numbers and display proper text messages end user understandable format. Then we are using a what exception handling mechanism. That much of powerful. Those all the things. So many things are there. Now up to this one, right? Write it this one, this program. Output also write any number. That's a single record. Yeah, is a record. This program right. Okay, na? Now here some fellows are requesting up to today enough. Okay, yeah. Now today this one is enough. But tomorrow, 1 minute only, 1 minute, 1 minute. I make a call to management only in a request. 1 minute only. Wait, wait. Okay. Tomorrow also class is there. Tomorrow at morning 7:30. We'll continue this PLS for only. Okay, yeah. Tomorrow we'll continue. Tomorrow. Sunday. Tomorrow morning 7:30 a.m. class. This part only. Okay, this continuation. This continuation is there. Okay, this continuation means up to another batch. That one only we are coming in. Yeah, same link. Okay, not a problem. Tomorrow morning 7:30. Sunday. Okay, na? Yeah. Then I will tell you about Sunday. Okay, na? Up to this one is referred. Then another thing also most powerful. Tomorrow will continue. Okay, na? Tomorrow morning 7:30. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.